With dirt bikes, there's two different types of terrain that you will most likely be riding in. One is hard pack, which is dirt, and one is soft pack, which is sand base. They're both require a different type of riding technique. I find sand to be a little harder. First off, you have to give it a lot more gas because the sand actually will rob horsepower from the bike. And two, it's easy for the bike to want to kind of go its own direction. You typically want to run like softer tire pressures. The more tire pressure you have, the more likely you're going to get wheel spin. You want to try to avoid wheel spin, so you can lower your tire pressure 5-6 pounds and easily compensate for the fact that the sand is going to try to create this wheel spin that you don't want.